Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today we're going to shake off stress and loosen the body using one of the most common Qigong exercises called spontaneous movement. We're going to shake different body parts to help you release some of the physical tension, release emotional stress and let go. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Begin in a standing position with your feet parallel and firm on the ground. Relax your hips and relax your lower back. Take a moment here to settle the mind, to adjust your alignment, and become aware of your entire physical body. Then go ahead and raise your hand up and shake in the air, slowly bringing it down. Go ahead and repeat a couple of times, focusing on relaxation. Feel every muscle letting go and loosening up. One more time. Relax. Same on the other side. Go up and shake. Keep it soft and gentle, focusing on the relaxation. One more time, up. And then shake it down. Relax for a moment, then shake him from the wrist down. Open your palms, relax your fingers. And let all the stress and tension drain down. Simply brush it away. Then from your elbows down, expanding the awareness and letting go. Very good. Then from the shoulders, lift and drop. Feel that relaxation begin to spread down your arms, down your back. One more time, up and down. Relax for a moment. And then we're going to do twist and turn. Starting the momentum from your feet and your legs. Let your neck and shoulders fully relax. Feel your arms long and heavy, lightly brushing your body. Release the back of your neck, down your shoulders, down your arms, all the way to your fingers. Very good. Come back to center. And take a moment to notice what changed. Begin to feel that awareness and the space spreading throughout your upper back. Next, we're going to do similar to the legs. So get yourself grounded on one leg and simply shake to the side. Trying to feel that relaxation coming down all the way to your toes. Just the right amount of intensity. Your aim here is to relax, to open the joints, to loosen up. Very good. Put it down. Then same leg, we're going to swing back and forth. Leave yourself a little bit of space. Minimal effort, maximum relaxation. Just feel your leg heavy. Beginning to relax. Beginning to loosen up. Very good. Put it down. And then same on the other side. Shake it first. Feel your muscles vibrating. Feel a sense of aliveness inside your leg. Very good. Then put it down. Get yourself stable on one leg and swing. Back and forth. Nice and easy. Very good. That will do us 4. Now put it down, feet parallel and firm on the ground. We're going to shake the entire body. Bouncing into your heels. Keep your lower back nice and relaxed. Go ahead and close your eyes here. Let's shake all the stress and tension down and away from the body. Keep your spine nice and tall, shoulders relaxed, soft hips. Feel those waves of relaxation spreading throughout your body. Feel your feet on the ground, open and connected. Feel your palms warm. Feel your fingers heavy. Relax the muscles of your face. Gently turn to the side. Come back. Turn to the other side. Come back. One more time to the side. Shake it off. Brush it away. Come back to center. Very, very good. Slow it down. Take a moment to feel what we've done. And then we're going to swing from side to side. Keep your upper back nice and relaxed. Very good. Couple more times on each side. And we're back. Back to center. Slow it down. And come back. Take a moment here to scan your body from head to toe. Notice the change in sensations, the awareness of your body. Comfort spreading throughout arms and legs, up and down your spine. Next, we're going to bounce into the heels, taking our time to create that vibration, again, to shake off the entire body, but slowing it down. Come up and then lightly bounce into your heels. Keep your whole body nice and relaxed. Up and down. Up and down. You should feel it all the way to your head. One more time. Up and down. Very, very good. Then go ahead and take a nice full breath in. And here I want you to brush it all off. Using your breath and awareness. Let it pour down through your body and escape through your feet. Any tension, discomfort, feeling of fatigue and tiredness, just inhale and brush it away. Focusing on making your exhalation slightly longer, focusing on the deep relaxation. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel how your body begins to feel lighter, brighter, a bit more open. One more time, breathe in Exhale, brush it down. Relax your hands by the side. Sink your weight into your feet. Relax your lower back. And take a moment to observe the sensations, to notice how your body feels, to be present. And place your hands on your belly to close. And take as much as you need here to simply focus in on yourself, the area inside your belly, the warmth and comfort spreading throughout your body. Let your mind be calm and still, and let your whole body relax and soften. Then whenever you're ready, relax your hands by the side and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope this short routine is what you need today to help you de-stress, winding down, and have a good day. Until next time, I wish you great health, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.